Lucky! What's on your neck? It's bobo ka, sabi niya. Bobo ka. Bobo daw ako. Yeah, I know. Bobo ka, sabi niya. What's that on your neck? Ah, it's called tracheostomy. I'm a cancer patient. This is a tracheostomy. Bobo ka, sabi niya. Ay, I'm so sorry. It's okay. It's okay. I understand. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe and